Right folks, here we are back in Southampton, and we're just about to have the last breakfast of the morning, which is bacon sausage, plum tomatoes with fried eggs and scrambled egg and hash brown, porridge and orange juice. And there's the pot, back here 2 weeks later. Right folks, here we are getting off the ship. Here we go. I'm having to use GoPro because I packed my gimbal away by mistake. So it might be a little bit wobbly. And that's it folks, I'll see you all again when we're on the coach. Right folks, here we are at a service station at Northampton. Yeah, and we're here for 45 minutes, or that's what we've stopped for, 45 minutes. It's we've actually been here half an hour because I've been in and got myself a McDonald's. Well, they're doing a nice thing called a big chicken Big Mac. And yeah, it's nice enough, tasty, fair enough, but they tried to pull a fast one on me. Yeah, they weren't getting away with that, I can tell you. I'll just have a sit down for 5 minutes. Yeah, what they did was you're supposed to get two chicken patties like you do with a normal Big Mac burger, where you get two beef patties. And I opened it up and there only one in it, so I was straight back. I said, excuse me, there's only one chicken patty here. So anyway, he says, I'll keep that one and I'll get you another one. So he got me another one, this time with both pieces of chicken in it. So yes, quite nice, quite nice. And as you can see, as I spin round, there's the entrance to the place, there's car park, and you see, that's the McDonald's there, and that's about it. You know, that's our coach over there, and of course a lot more people have got off. A lot of people have got off here, not a lot more. A lot of people have got off here, so it's going to be less crowded now, because as next stop is well, I should imagine it's Woolly Edge, because quite a few people got on at Woolly Edge, so it'll be Woolly Edge services on M1 and then into Leeds. So I'm going to have a wander back to coach and wait for them to open up so I can get on and make sure I get that seat that I was in before. Right, I was sat next to this Indian lady, and she was very nice. And we had a nice long chat, and she was telling me all about you know, what she'd done on cruise, and I telling her about what I'd done. And then she tried to ring a friend to pick her up, and couldn't get through, so I lent her my phone and she was able to ring him on my phone. Of course he didn't answer at first because he's probably thinking, who the heck is this phone number from? So in the end he rang, and I handed the phone to her and she chatted with him and she arranged for him to come and pick her up. So I'll see you all a bit later when I get on the bus and we get going again. Bye for now. Right folks, so I was just leaving the service station just outside Northampton. Got more room on coach now, as a lot of people have got off. So there you go. Next stop Leeds. Unless I see anything interesting. So bye for now. Right folks, Meadowhall. There goes Meadowhall and the shopping centre. Right folks, we are coming into Leeds, and according to that clock at the front, it's taken us 2 hours and 13 minutes to get from the service station at Northampton to Leeds. And here we are approaching Leeds bus station, and just behind the bus station is the coach station. So we should be here any second now. I've got to keep talking so don't get copyrighted with the music in the background. But we're swinging around, and there you go. And there we go folks, we're pulling into the coach park at the back. From here I'll go up front, get a taxi home, and I'll speak to you all again when I get home. So it's bye for now.